guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm Amanda and I'm really glad to have you here.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds of...
In today's video, we're going to be doing a little tutorial. I just wanted it to be a short, quick little tutorial using the Dark Magic palette from the Jaclyn, Hill, and Morphe collection. I just wanted to do a quick tutorial, not doing a cut crease, just do a nice smoky look. I wanted to try out using the greens. This is the first time I've used this palette, and overall I really enjoyed it. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then please go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and go into the palette, and we're gonna go to the color Poof. We're gonna put that as our beginning crease color. So let's go ahead and take that. I'm just taking an MB25 Morphe brush, and I'm going to just put that right here in my crease, a little bit above my crease. It's a nice peach toned shade. This color always makes a super good transition shade to start off with because it's light, but you can still see it after you do all the different other shades. So next up, we're going to take the color and we're going to also put that in our crease, and I'm going to use the same brush because the other color was light enough that it won't transfer and make a big deal. And I'm putting that in the same spot. I'm just deepening up my crease, making sure that I blend it out. Next up, we're going to take the color Potion, which is a very pretty green. It's like a forest green color, like a piece of moss. That's what it reminds me of. I'm gonna also put that in my crease. I was feeling inspired today by the color of my dress, which is a really pretty, like, mossy green color. So that is what this look is inspired. I'm just blending that, making sure I blend it out and up. Now I'm going to go back into that color Shh, and I'm going to put that and kind of go back over the top where I kind of lost that pigment. Today's eye look is going to be very simple, you guys. I know not everyone has a buttload of time to be doing some crazy looks, so I just wanted this one to be very simple. Now I'm going to go in with an IBY brush. It's like a little tiny detail. It's like a detail crease brush. And I'm going to go into the color Inside Job. And I'm going to put that in our crease as like a darker shade. And I'm just putting that all in my crease, but like lower than the Temptress color or Potion color. This is kind of like a blue green color. So I'm just using that one to deepen up my crease. Now I'm going to take the color Trickery, and we're not going to do a cut crease or anything today. We're just keeping it simple. And I'm just going to use my finger. I'm going to go into the color Trickery, and we're going to put that all over our lid. I'm going to leave a little space by the corner of my eye right here so that I can put a dark shade right there in the outer corner of my eye. Now I'm going to go into the color Mojo with a crease brush from BH Cosmetics. It's from the Festival palette, or the, why would I say Festival palette? It's from the Festival brushes, and it's the number 8 brush. And I'm going to take that Mojo color and I'm just going to place that in my outer corner. Just to give us a little definition. And I'm also going to run it a little bit in my crease just to break up those 2 green colors that we put in our crease. I'm just going to break it up a little bit so you can just kind of see it. And then I'm just going to blend it. Okay, now for the lower lash line, I'm going to go into the color Potion again. I'm going to use a Royal and Langnickel detail brush. And I'm just going to use the color Potion and I'm going to sweep that all under my lash line. Now for our inner corner, we're going to use the color Power Cut. And I'm just going to take an Anastasia brush that I got from one of her palettes. And I'm going to just highlight my brow bone and my inner corner. Okay, now it's time for a liner. We're just going to do, we're not going to do like a crazy wing or anything. We're just going to do a little darkening to our lash line. So just a thin line. Now let's go ahead and apply mascara. I'm going to use my Unlashed Wander Beauty mascara. We're going to put on lashes too. I think this look calls for lashes. This is the final look using the Dark Magic, Jaclyn Hill, and Morphe Vault palette. I think that this look turned out really good. Overall, I'll give this palette a big thumbs up. I really enjoyed it. I didn't have any problem blending any of the shadows. Please subscribe if you haven't already. As always, remember to be yourself and be your own kind of beautiful. Toodles for now, you guys. The Jaclyn Morphe Hill. Jaclyn Morphe Hill. We're gonna do like a gel eyeliner wing, and we're not gonna do a wing. We're just, when I say wing, we're gonna, okay, rubbing yourself on all the stuff. Out, get out. It's my cat. She likes to come in here and make noises. With.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our